Stay still, stay still, stay still. Yes. Do not lose this now. Do not lose this right now.
Wait, that is not what I said. How do I explain this without making it weird? Okay.
Lena, Leo, I am home now. How was your afternoon today, both of you?
Hi, Mom. Good. Can you not talk right now? I am at a very hard part. Hi, Mom.
I see. All right. There is still a lot to do before tonight is over for all of us.
Mom asked us twice today. We were both too busy to even hear her come in.
Dinner first, then the laundry, then the bags for tomorrow morning. One thing at a time.
Max, can you help me bring this water pack in? Mom, not now. If I stop, I will lose everything.
All right. I can manage this one too. I usually do manage these things on my own.
She is carrying that alone. Max said no. I could have helped. I did not say anything.
Level complete! Yes! I knew I could finish that. That was the hardest level in the whole game.
Rice first, then the vegetables. The laundry is still in the machine. I will get to it after dinner.
Ella, can you help me fold the laundry right now?
Mom, I am busy replying to something really important.
Okay. I will manage it after dinner. It is fine, Ella. I will just do it myself tonight.
I will help after this. I just need to finish this one message first. Just this one.
5 minutes on the rice. Fold the small items first. Ella's shirt, Max's furred. Where is the other sock? Hello? I will be late today. I have extra work tonight. Did the kids help you? I managed. I am so thirsty. I have not had any water since this afternoon. I keep forgetting to stop.
Come and eat. Dinner is ready. I made the rice you like. Is there more? I am very hungry today.
That was really good, Mom. Can I go back to my game now? I want to try the next level.
Dishes done. Laundry still to finish. Bags for tomorrow morning. And the kitchen floor needs a wipe.
Okay, new level. This one looks harder. Do not panic, Max. You can do this. Stay calm and think.
I will help Mom after this. I just need 10 more minutes. Then I will definitely go help her.
Almost done in here. Then the bags. Then I can sit down for a little while before bed tonight. Max likes the small container for his snack. Ella needs the bigger one. Water bottles. Napkins. Done. I forgot to fill my water again. I will get up and fill it in a moment after this.
Mom, it is almost midnight. Why are you still sitting here working at this hour?
Tomorrow there will be more. I am used to it.
Used to it? Do you do this every day, Mom?
Almost every day, yes. It is okay, Ella. You should go back to sleep now.
She is still working. She asked me to help, and I said I was busy. I was just scrolling. Mom, why did you not ask me again?
You seemed busy. I did not want to bother you tonight.
She did not want to bother me. I was on my phone. That was not important at all.
Go to bed, sweetheart. I am almost done.
But you are working alone, and it is almost midnight.
I am used to working alone at night, Ella. I have done this for a long time. Good night.
Mom slept so late, and she will be up first in the morning. She always is. She always will be. She packed our bags already. She washed the dishes. She cooked the dinner. She mopped the floor tonight.
And I sat on the sofa the whole evening, replying to messages. scrolling, doing nothing at all that mattered. Max said not now. I said I was busy. Neither of us was really busy at all this evening. I saw how tired she was. I still did not help her. That was not seeing her at all.
I am not going to scroll anymore tonight. Tomorrow, I am going to actually help. I mean it this time.
Where did I put my glasses? They were here somewhere. I just need one moment before I go up. Just one moment. Just 1 minute, and then I will go upstairs. I am so very, very tired tonight.
She is probably asleep now. Finally. But I am going to remember what I saw tonight in that kitchen. Starting right now, not tomorrow. Starting right now, I am going to be someone who notices. Like Mom does. I saw only what Mom did for us. I never noticed how tired she already was doing it all.
Tomorrow there will be more. There is always more tomorrow. But tonight I am just so very tired right now.
Mom! She never made it upstairs. She fell asleep right here in her work clothes.
Ella, why are you just standing there? Is everything sat? Oh, Mom is still on the sofa.
She slept here all night in her work jacket?
She was still working when I saw her. Past 11. She already wrote the list for this morning. Breakfast, cleaning, lunch, laundry. All of it is still here waiting.
She never even took off her jacket. She sat down for one moment and she just fell asleep here.
She fell asleep on the sofa again. She does this when the nights go too long for her.
There. Sleep a little longer. You stayed up too late again, taking care of everything alone.
Your mother carries so much every day. We only notice when she is too tired to go upstairs.
She asked me to help yesterday. I said not now. I was on the last level of my game.
She asked me too. I said I was busy. I was just replying to messages. Nothing important at all.
I am going to make some coffee. You two think about what comes next this morning.
Ella. She asked us for help. We said no. And then she went and did everything herself all night.
We ignored her, Max. She was carrying everything and we did not even look up from our screens.
I thought it was just a water pack. I thought she could manage it. She always manages things.
She always says that. I managed. We hear that and we think everything is fine with her.
But it is not fine. She manages because she has to. Because we do not help her do it.
Yes, she manages because no one else does.
Should we start helping tomorrow when things are normal again?
Starting right now, Kun, not tomorrow. We do not wait for normal. We start right now this morning.
Okay, starting right now. What is first on the list? I remember it said breakfast was first. Breakfast, cleaning, lunch, laundry. We do all 4 today. All 4. Do I get to use the stove today? You handle the eggs, I make the toast. No sugar. Understood. I am just going to look at it. Crack the egg slowly. Do not look at the sugar. I am not looking at the sugar right now. Ella, I cracked the egg with no shell inside the bowl. This is a very big moment for me. Toast takes 2 minutes. Eggs take 4. Set the table before either is ready. Think ahead, Ella. Think ahead. Max, that is the sugar. Put it down now. I knew that. I was just checking which one.
4 places. Nobody faces away from each other today. Not at this table. Not this morning at all.
The white part is going white. The yellow part is staying yellow. This is very clever food that eggs make.
One side is a bit dark, but the other side is perfect. This is the side we are showing. Dear Mom, thank you for everything you do for us. We are sorry we did not understand.
Can I add something at the end? My handwriting?
Yes.
Keep it short, Max. The letter is very good.
There.
And me too. Max, that is everything I want to say. I think that is enough from me. Salt! That is the salt. I checked the label. I am getting very good at this cooking thing already.
The egg has landed. No shell, no sugar. Success.
It really is, Max. It genuinely is. Now we wait.
You two did all of this. On your own. This morning while Mom was still sleeping on the sofa.
And there is also a letter. I wrote the last part myself so she knows it is really from me.
What time is it? I fell asleep down here again. I just needed one moment before going up. Someone put this here. Someone covered me while I was sleeping. I did not do this myself last night. My list is gone. I can hear something in the kitchen. Something is happening in the kitchen right now. You did all of this. The table, the breakfast. You did this while I was still sleeping.
We are sorry, Mom. Really sorry. You asked for help yesterday, and we were both too busy to hear you.
I said not now when you asked me. I should have put the game down and helped you right away.
My sweet children. I never wanted thanks. I only ever wanted you to understand what this work is like.
We do now, Mom. We really do understand. And we are not going to forget what we saw last night.
Looks like I missed something important this morning while I was making coffee in the kitchen.
Family upgrade, Dad. Starting right now, per not tomorrow. That is what Ella said and what we are doing.
Thank you, all 3 of you, for this breakfast and for finally understanding what I needed from you.
Everyone is eating. Everyone is here. No one is on a phone. This is our best breakfast.
Our list. We share this now. Ella wrote this and she put it right here for me to find.
I should change into something comfortable. I have been in these work clothes since yesterday evening now.
Breakfast done. Next is cleaning. You do the living room. What does cleaning the living room mean? Everything or some? Cushions straight, floor clear, table wiped, magazines in rack. I understand. I will do it in that order without skipping. Cushions done. Floor clear. Table now. Magazines in the rack. That is the whole list done. Dishes, then the counter, then the table. Mom does this every single day without us helping her at all. This is folding. I am folding this shirt. It is going well. I think this is correct folding. Like this, Max. Flat, sleeves in, fold in thirds. That is very different from what I was doing. Completely different. That is better. That is definitely better. Mom can tell the difference between those 2 folds.
The living room is clean. Max cleaned the living room while I was upstairs getting changed just now.
I folded this shirt, Mom. First one was not great. It really is better, Max. I can see you tried.
They got up early and did everything on your list. All of it. Before you even woke up today.
I do not know when they grew up enough.
They saw you on the sofa. That is when.
Kitchen is done, Mom. Dishes washed, counter wiped, and the table is clean for you now.
Thank you, Ella, for the kitchen, for the letter. And for staying up last night wondering about me.
I saw you still working at midnight. I needed to do something real to make up for that. Mom, I thought helping was a big, hard thing. But it is not a big thing. Not at all.
Then what is it, Max? Tell me what you think helping is right now.
Helping is just noticing, Mom. You notice when someone needs something, and you just do it.
Yes, Max, that is exactly what it is. You just said the most important thing said all week.
I think I really did miss something important while I was making coffee in the kitchen this morning.
You say that every time, Dad. You said it earlier.
It keeps being true, Ella. Every time, still true.
2 lists now. The old one and the new one. Both on the fridge so everyone can see them.
Side by side. The old list and the new one together. This is what I needed to ask for.
Sit down. Children will do the rest. You have done.
I am not used to sitting while there is work.
Mom, that is the point. You are not doing it alone anymore. Sit down and drink your tea. I made you tea, Mom. Ella said you like it not too strong.
I think I got it right, Mom. This is exactly right, Max. Not too strong. How did you know? I watched you every time. You never knew.
You can hear them working. They started without being asked.
I know. It sounds very different from yesterday.
Living room done. Kitchen done. Laundry done. The whole list. The whole list. Mom wrote it. We did it.
Last night she worked alone at midnight. This morning we did not let her. That is the difference. She looked so tired this morning. Even asleep, she looked tired. I do not want her to look like that. Then we keep going. Not just today. Every day from now on together. That is the plan.
Every day from now on. Starting right now, not tomorrow. Every day we look up and notice things.
Okay.
Something in the kitchen. That is Mom. She is starting something. I should go and check right now.
I will help start dinner. You do not need.
Just soup. You do not need to help. I can manage.
Mom, you always say that. I can manage.
But you should not have to manage alone anymore now.
You sound different from the Ella who said she was busy just last night. That was not very long ago.
That was last night. I saw what happened because of that. So this is who I am now.
Chop the carrots, not too small, about this size.
I see exactly. About this size. I can do them.
Starting right now, Cass. Not tomorrow, Dad. That is what we are doing. Ella said it, and I agree.
You did something real today, Max. I am proud.
I know, Dad. I am a little proud of myself.
We made this dinner together, Ella and I. I think it tasted better because of that.
The soup tastes very good. Is there sugar in this soup or in a different part of dinner?
No sugar in the soup, Max. Never in any soup.
Good. I just needed to check. That is noticing.
No phones tonight. 4 people at a table, all of them actually here. This is a good evening.
They noticed. They finally noticed. And once you notice, everything about how you act is very different from before.
And then I cracked the egg perfectly, Dad. Perfectly.
Helping is just noticing. You notice when someone needs something and you just do it. That is all.